After a blessed Christmas season, I find Calvinia on my journey back, about 423 kilometers north of Cape Town. Just look at the beautiful mountains as you enter the town of Calvinia. As you enter the town of Calvinia, you feel welcomed by this board of the Calvinia Kicks Children in Christ board. They say, welcome, welcome, enjoy your visit in our town. And we are also reminded that we must all work together to stop crime in our country. And just look at the beautiful view. Calvinia is a small regional town in the Northern Cape province of South Africa. It's nestled in the Hantam Karoo region, at the foot of the dramatic Hantam Mountains. It is named after the French religious reformer John Calvin. It lies along the Oorlogsrivier and serves as a peaceful Karoo hub known for its sheep farming heritage, stunning natural landscapes, and vibrant spring wildflower displays. The Oorlogskloof River flows through the rugged Oorlogskloof Nature Reserve in the Northern Cape near Nieuwoudtville, which is about 40 to 50 kilometers from Calvinia. It carves deep gorges and creates dramatic landscapes ideal for challenging multi-day hikes. Calvinia was founded in 1845 on the farm Hogekraal by the Dutch Reformed Church to serve the remote Hantam community, originally named after the Khoisan word for a local edible plant. The town was officially renamed Calvinia in 1851. The Calvinia Museum is one of the largest in the Northern Cape outside of Kimberley. It showcases settler life, sheep farming history, and geological exhibits and artifacts. Today, Calvinia remains a center for wool and mutton production, famous for merino and Dorper sheep plus Karoo lamb. Other attractions to Calvinia might include the annual Hantam Meat Festival, stargazing, and the Skokie landmark, South Africa's largest mailbox. It was a water tower that I converted into a mailbox. What a wonderful, blessed Wednesday morning it was. The sun shining bright, it wasn't that hot. The streets were quiet and there were people sitting at the coffee shops enjoying their day. I am so grateful to have been there on that day. 3 other places I found here in Calvinia today are the Northwestern Publishers, Ligtadhuis and the Hantamhuis. Northwestern Publishers was a key independent publisher of local community newspapers serving the Karoo region. The publishing house was responsible for the Noordwester and the Messenger, formerly Victoria West Messenger, which shared office space in Koffienia. Unfortunately, the last editions of these long-standing community newspapers were released on the 26th of September 2025, ending over a century of community-based storytelling in the region. Ligtaardhuis offers accommodation and it forms part of a cluster of surrounding restored cottages and houses. It is a fully restored Victorian Dutch style house, consisting of 5 units originally used as rooms for communion. The Handtamhuis is a guest house offering the ideal accommodation for business and leisure travelers, as well as families. Koffienia is renowned for its spectacular wildflower blooms from August to September, and it forms part of the broader Namakwaland and Handtam displays. Nearby highlights include the Akkerendam Nature Reserve, hiking trails, bird watching, picnic spots, and views over the town with endemic flora. Koffienia also has a golf club, and there's something about the golf course that always gets my attention, because I think it just shows how this area sometimes has a lack of water, but yeah, they still keep on functioning. It's a place to reboot and find solitude, with calm sophistication and a slower pace, something that was said about Koffienia. Take it into consideration the next time you plan your next adventurous trip.